How to turn off comments on Facebook post. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can turn off comment section on Facebook post. So let's get started. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So the very first thing you need to do is, of course, open your Facebook and make sure you are logged in. After that, you need to go to your profile at the top right and tap on your profile. After that, let me just post a post for now. Just randomly, I'm gonna post something. It may take a few seconds, but it will be posted. After that, what I need to do is just tap on this section and I need to edit privacy. Just tap on it and tap on public and get back. It will save your option and you will be able to see this globe option on your post, which means your post is available to everyone who visits your Facebook. So after that is done, what you need to do is again tap on the three dot, and before that, let me refresh. After refreshing, just tap on that three dot again, and here you will be able to see who can comment on your post option. Just tap on it and edit it accordingly, and you will be able to change the audience of who can post on your Facebook post. Thereby, this is the method you need to follow on how you may turn off your Facebook post commenters. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.